Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can delete Netflix profile. Okay, so to do this we have to open the netflix.com website in the browser and then click on the right upper corner and click to manage profiles. Now just wait a little bit. And the first account, it's the main account, so I'm unable to remove this account, but the rest, the 4 other accounts, I can easily remove. So let's focus, for example, on the kids. Click on the pencil and then you can delete profile by tapping right here. So click on this once, and as you can see, you can delete profile by tapping in this place. I'm gonna keep it also. I'm gonna keep it, but if you want to delete, just click on it and confirm. And that's how you can do this. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.